Alright guys, what's up? So today, in this past week, I've been working on something kind of like a passion project. So recently I've started using Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. I'm like super new to these softwares and kind of like a noob, but I still tried to redesign a logo. So I found some acrylic paint in my sister's art supplies, I guess, and I saw how trash the logo looked.
Bruh.
No offense, Apple Barrel, but so I redesigned it, and in my opinion, it looks better. So I want you guys to decide which logo is better, and this is the first logo I've ever created, except for the one that was previously on my channel. And yeah, so instead of like telling me how trash the logo looks in the comments, just can you guys please tell me like why it's bad, you know, constructive criticism. Yeah, anyway, I hope you like it, and I actually really want to improve like overall, and yeah, I just want to make better stuff, so I'm gonna leave it at that. And by the way, I'll leave a link to this PDF in the description. So yeah, this is just like kind of like a presentation, how I would present it, kind of. So yeah guys, leave it at that, and yeah, see you guys.